Hi everyone, welcome back to Henley Outdoors. And today, I'm going to be climbing the most unique trees on our property. But before we get into the video, please click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and click all so you won't miss another awesome video. But before we continue, I need to let you guys know, in the last video I was working for the GoPro Max and I actually got it. I didn't have enough time to watch it. If you're already a subscriber, you might have started watching it. Most likely you didn't finish it because it took a little while. But if you did, this is the GoPro Max. So far, it works pretty good, really a good camera. But only problem I have with it so far is I think the 360 is like really blocky. I tried it in the darkness and it was not good. And I tried it out here, it was not good either. I think it's probably the screen is not good at displaying 360 for all the GoPro Maxes. It's just not good at displaying 360 on its screen. But maybe when I upload it to my iPad it might be better. But I'll keep you posted with that. Overall, it's a pretty good camera. There's also heater mode in it, so I could use 2.7K as well. Anyway guys, this is gonna be. But anyway guys, from this video and on, I'm gonna do more activities, more action most of the time. Like, sometimes I'll be climbing cool trees, sometimes I'll be fishing, might be walking and venturing up and down the river. Cool videos like that, and maybe sledding when it's snows out. And I might be even hunted by an ogre. I don't know, that's just an idea. But yeah, basically what I mean, it's the new year. I'm trying to have this year the best year, my YouTube channel, and just the best year. And so I'll upload a lot. And also, we'll go fishing more, stuff like that. And it's starting to be springtime now, so the weather's getting a little bit better. Well, it'll be springtime in like 2 months. But the weather's starting to be better, and we'll get to do more fishing and more activities. But anyway, I think it's time to get into the video. Now, some of these trees will be in the river, and some of them will have thousands of branches the same size, and some of them will be just behind me. Anyway, let's do this because we're slightly running out of light. All right, guys. So this tree is level 1. He's recording a time lapse. Let's get him. Time lapse time. All right. Should I go sloth mode like this, or should I go normal mode like this? Who knows? Ah! Oh my gosh! I'm like a sloth right now. I think I got it down. Oh my gosh, all the way up to like right there. What's he doing right there? Oh my gosh, I'm pretty far down actually, more than I thought. Almost there. This is what GoPros are meant for, dude. Almost there, guys. It's right there. Closer than you think. Basically, I made it. That would work. All right, guys, now it's time for part 2. Yeah, like I said, I climbed this one many times, but if you want to see time lapse of this, why is that pink, purple? I need to have a conversation with this guy. Cut down these trees. Now these situations are what GoPros are meant for, and this area is an option. But I need to figure out which one has more branches and branches are stronger. Maybe, I don't know, these are kind of even. I need to make it at least like 5 more feet up in the air, so. Looks like I'll choose this one because they got some nice branches here. No, I think it's better with more branches on it.
No, it'll grow back real quick.
Yes, that is true.
Trim it all and let it grow back.
Oh. Yeah. There's nothing for me to step on. Over there might be, but... Alright guys, complete this one. Alright guys, that's level 2 for ya. Alright guys, here is level 3. Jesus. Now that's a lot of mud. This tree is unique because it fell right when we got the house, and that was like 4 years ago. So, and it's still alive if you didn't know. Let me find a branch. So that's that's a broken branch. But these are branches from this tree. See? That is, yeah, that one's still alive. Oh, jeez. Like, do not do this at home because I am a trained professional. I think. Ought to be careful. So I don't want to get hurt. And I have a GoPro Max on me. Now this is what GoPro's meant for. Yeah, that branch broke, so can't use that to help. Those harsh conditions, bruh. Guys, it turns out this area has been blocked and it's gonna be too difficult to move all this stuff right here. So I'm gonna have to walk right through this way. So this is awesome though. Look at this awesome view, guys. Oh my God. This is cool. Let's go, let's get down. Video takes a lot of editing, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications and click all so you will not miss another awesome video, and you'll also be notified every time I upload a new YouTube video. Alright guys, we made it. Hi sir. What are you doing today, sir? Yes. I can see your eyes, sir. I can see your eyes, sir. Are you, who are you? Oh, he's a GoPro 8, okay. Wow. Yeah, that's all there is for today. And we just completed level 3. Alright guys, that'll do it for today's video. And if that wasn't cool enough for you, let me know in the comments, and I might just do a part 2 that's maybe more intense. Because on our property, there's not many good trees to climb. But make sure to subscribe and click that notification button. Click off so you won't miss an awesome video. And I actually will do a part 2 if this video gets about 300 views.